number 14. Tori Beckham in number 7. Marcia Hales in number 18. Atalia
Whakawā
Kia ora whanaunga. Wearing the number 18 jersey, and Baden Lee Munro Smith, number 20. And our final player out there is Victoria McCullough, the jersey number 17.
Ka pai whānau. Ka pai. So now we move on to our Ngārua Ine team. They just finished the huckers. So our Ngārua Ine team here, we number 1, Kaia Rose Kāui. Number 2, Hannah McLean. Number 3, Shaniqua Weston Jacobson. Number 4, Pearl Kāhui. Number 21, Brianna Poindexter. Number 5, Victoria Arnold. Number 6, Lynn Smith. Number 8, Kate Thompson. Number 23, Amelia Parata. Number 10, Charlie Maraikura. Number 22, Kiara Kātene. Number 12, Justice Green. Number 13, Pareake O'Brien. Number 19, Donia King. Number 15, Nadia Weston Jacobson. Number 14, Croatia Mitchell McBaron. Number 7, Jardiana Roy Mata Robinson. Number 18, Rihanna Rangi Brown. Number 18 as well. There's 2 18s. Kennedy Screen. Number 20, Nikki Kātene. Number 21, Evelyn Arnold. Number 17, another number 17 is Marika Raupama. Number 16, Karina Gay. Number 24, Johnny Lee Grant. Number 25, Alana Robinson. And number 21, Riley Gahan. Kia ora whānau, that's our Ngārua Ine whānau there. So kick off. Here we go. Taranaki Tūturu, I just want to welcome my whanaunga here, Tyson Cassidy, who's joined us in the commentary. Kia ora, Kaz.
Kia ora, Kazi. Kia ora te whānau. Yeah, good to be here this weekend, eh, Kaz?
Awesome. Awesome, mate. Awesome kaupapa back at it again.
Yeah, absolutely.
Good to see our wahine teams, eh? 4 of our wahine teams out here.
Yeah, mean, Kaz. It's good. It's good. A big increase from last year, indeed, for our wahine grade.
That's awesome here. So we have 2 teams here, neighbours, whānau, at each other here. Ngārua Hine, our current champions of the tournament. Up against Taranaki Tūturu. Always a good battle, this one.
Yeah, always, Cuz, yeah. 2 of my iwi here, and, you know, it's good to see all of our wahine representing their iwi in this tournament as well.
100%. Isn't it awesome, mate? The weather, the rain's kind of gone away now. It's a beautiful day down there, whānau, so make sure you get in your waka and come down here.
Absolutely, whānau. Good atmosphere here too, whānau. A lot of our whānau here to support our iwi, so it's mean.
Come and catch up with your cousins and come and have a kai. A kai and a catch up and a kani. What do you reckon?
Yeah, cuz. Yeah. Me.
Here we go. Ngārua Hine with the ball, attacking Tuturu's line here. Number 7. Good run there.
Oh, that's a good run there.
Good run. Looking for the offload. Good tackle there. Hitting the short side there, Ngārua Hine. Play the ball here.
Play the ball here by number 22.
It's Kātene. Heading to that short side. Oh, they dropped the ball. Taranaki Tūturu get the ball now.
Now in possession of the ball. Gaining meters here by Taranaki Tūturu. Good run there.
Walsh Tito with the carry. From dummy half. Oh, good
run there.
Some strong contact there. Coming in strong by Ngārua Hine. Tūturu break the line. Kingi with the pass. Off onto the right-hand side there. We have a penalty.
Quick tap there by Taranaki Tūturu. Gaining meters.
Oh, good run there.
Yeah.
Good strong run.
Another play the ball there. Good defense by the Ngārua Hine.
Hitting the left hand. Oh, good contact there. The ball, good run, looking for the inside. Good run. Yeah. Good tackle around the legs. The bootlaces tackle. Here we go. Hitting left hand side now. Taranaki Tūturu with the ball. Number 14 pass the ball on short ball.
Another offload there.
Another pass. Oh, she's got it. Oh. Sideline. Good run there. Good run down that edge there by Taranaki Tūturu. Awesome, Cuz. So what's happening with yourself these days?
Well, cause yeah, traveling the world really, pretty much my mahi now.
Yeesh,
Yeah,
yeesh.
I live down in Te Whanganui-a-Tara, down in Wellington now. So, you know, it's good to come back here and there, and especially for our kaupapa every year. So it's meant to come back here this weekend and be a part of the whānau and be a part of this atmosphere as well. It's mean.
Awesome. It's
Mm.
good to have you home, cuz. It's good to have you home, and awesome to have you in this space.
Yeah, that's
I know
right.
you've been a big attribute to this mahi, the Māori Rugby League here in Taranaki for a number of years now. So it's good to
Yeah.
have you home.
Yeah, it's good. It's good to be back. You know, yeah, I do miss it a lot when I'm away, but you know, it's good to always come back and rejuvenate in this space, but also being home with whānau as well as mean too.
100%. Here we go. Taranaki Tūturu with the ball, attacking the try line of Ngā Ruahine. Hitting that left edge. They
Here
like
we
that
go.
left
Good
edge.
run
Good,
there.
strong carry. Good, strong defence. Oh, white line fever. Everyone wants the line. Everyone wants to get over. Real determination there by Taranaki Tūturu, number 12. Number 12. Who do we have in number 12? That is... Now, I've got to get this right.
Yeah.
So it's Anastasis.
Anastasis Teorahita.
Te Ora Hita with the try. She looks like an aggressive runner.
Yeah, that was a pretty aggressive run there, which is mean.
Outstanding. We've got a game on our hands here, whānau. Last year's champions, Ngā Ruahine, up against Taranaki Tūturu. Taranaki Tūturu out to a 4-0 lead at present with the kick to come. Here we go, Cassio Austin with the kick. No, unsuccessful. So the score remains 4-0. 4-0 to Taranaki Tūturu. Referees, officials, we're lucky to have them, aren't we?
Yeah, we are really lucky to have them because, a bit of a shortfall today, but they're making do with what the numbers that they have. So, big mihi going out to our referees, they're part of our game and, we need to make sure that they're looked after and, we have them around as well.
So we don't have a lot of officials here in Taranaki whānau. So we're very lucky and very privileged to have our whānau from other provinces that come and tautoko this kaupapa. So I just want to acknowledge them. Some of our whānau from Manawatu, from up in Tāmaki and Waikato that come to support our kaupapa each and every year. So just mihi out to them. For their amazing work in supporting our kaupapa. Just want a special mention too to Harley Wall, one of our referees. Harley. He's one of the top referees in New Zealand actually, works for Touch New Zealand as operations manager, and we're lucky to have our whanaunga back home. It's the first time he's come back to the tournament, and we're stoked to have him here. It's good to have a high caliber referee like himself officiating some of our games. So welcome home, Harley. He's whanaunga from Puniho and Oremipiko.
Yeah.
So good to see you here. So we have it's 4-0 at present to Taranaki Tūturu. They have the ball. Hitting that left edge again. Here we go. Good run.
Good run there.
Offload there.
Nice offload there.
Kingi with the step. Number 11. Is that Aroha Kingi, I think? I always get it mixed up. It's not Aroha Kingi. It's Aroha Nuku. I'm sorry, cuz. I'm sorry. I don't know what it is. I always get the Kingis and the Nuku sisters mixed up. My apologies.
Quick chip over there into Ruahine.
Yeah, here we go with the return. Good tackle there. Aroha Nuku, she's into everything. She don't mind. There's her sister. Tiff, that's Tiff Nuku.
Yeah, Tiff Nuku.
I'm getting it right, cuzzies. I'm getting it right now. Here we go, Kay Rose. She can play. Good run.
Good run there by Kaya. Quick feed of the ball. Quick pass.
Nice pass. Here we go. Good carry there. Good offload. Making some good yards here. Ngā
Ruahine making really good yards.
Oh, they've lost the ball as they've gone in the tackle there. Number 21. Evelyn Arnold, unfortunately, lost the ball as she went to ground. The Taranaki Tuturu take the ball now. Here's a carry. This looks like a good run here.
Yeah, by number 13.
Number 13, good run.
Cindy.
Cindy Rose Rupapira. Number 22, carry strong as well. Good tackle there. Good strong contact. Hitting the left edge here now. Opening it up. Oh, they look really sharp on that edge. Just a bit of a wayward pass. It's cost them. They lost the ball there.
Looks like it's going to be scrum coming in here, I think, cuz. Yeah.
Scrum to Ngārua Hine. So we're just over halfway through the first half, whānau. Good tight game here. So I just want to spend a big send a big mihi to our sponsors, Bennett Enterprises, Toi Foundation, and Parinini Hiki Waitotara. Thank you very much for your awhia manaki and support for this kaupapa of ours. We wouldn't be able to do it without you. So just want to mihi to them. Look at this run. Good run here.
Good run here, Bangaruhine.
It's Kahui. It's Pearl. Here we go. Another strong carry. Oh, good dog coming for the big shot. Oh, good run there, number 20. That's Nikki Kātene with the carry. Oh, they get a penalty there. Bit of a high shot. A few swinging arms.
Quick tap of the ball.
Here we go. Pearl Kahui with the run. Good run. She made about 20 metres there.
Yeah.
She made about 20 metres in her last run too. Good carry there by Pearl Kahui. Hitting left. Here we go, number 13.
Number 13.
Oh, good carry there. That's Pareaki O'Brien. Here we go, another strong carry. This is the way to run. Awesome.
Oh, nice run
go. Number 22. Kiara Kātene with the carry. They send it right. Here we go. She sees a gap. She goes for it. Number 7. Roy Mata Robinson. Here we go. Lynn Smith.
Coming in.
Oh, she's still going. Oh, she beats a couple of defenders. Draws them past. No, she catches it. Oh, head and spin. Beautiful try Lynn Smith. She's been around, Lynn. She knows how to play footy.
Yep.
She made a few of our tournament teams.
No, yeah, that's right, guys. Yeah.
Yep. She's made a few of our tournament teams. So one of Bully Luke's whanaunga. Good to see you still out there with the, with the younger ones. I won't say young ones because you're still young, cuz. You're still young. With some of the young ones, she's still out there showing them how it's done.
Yeah, that's right, eh?
So that ties the scores up. That's 4-4. Ngārua Hine and Tuturu. We have another game on our hands here. I'm liking the look of this Wahine Toa pool, Kazi Tice. It's going to be tight. It's going to be tight. So just so you know, Te Iwi at home, they have 3 games. So they're in a pool of 4. They all play each other once, and whoever ends up on the top 2 of that pool will play in the final. So every game's important, every minute's important. So it's going to be a tight one.
Yeah, definitely, because very, very tight one with that for our Wahine.
Did they get that kick? I missed it.
I couldn't see from my angle, but I'm not too sure.
No, so they didn't get that kick. Sorry, Atiwi. I was looking at someone's kai. Someone was eating their kai, and I was a bit
getting a bit hungry, cuz?
So I missed the kick. Plenty of on kai.
Yeah.
There's plenty of kai down there.
Plenty of kai down here, whānau.
There's some really good kai stalls. So come down and get a munch.
Yep.
What did we say before? Come for a kai, a kōrero, and a kani.
Kani, yep. Come for a kani whānau. And a mātaki too.
Here we go with the kickoff. Oh, they're kicking for... Oh, no. There we go. Good
Number
catch.
3 there, Shaniqua.
Yeah, Weston Jacobson. she's come right through our grades. It's
Yes,
good
she
to
has. Yep.
see her out there. We talked about in the previous game, Leah Kirerako, and how she'd come right through our junior grades. And then there's another one there, Shaniqua. She's been our player of a tournament, I think, once as well.
Yeah, I think she has.
Back in about 3 years ago, I think, 3 or 4 years ago.
3, yeah, one of those years.
Yeah. So good to see her out there again. Here we go.
Here we go.
She runs good. She runs
really runs good,
really strong. Kiara Kartini. Oh, she might have dropped the ball there. I think she might have dropped the ball and to play the ball, unfortunately.
No, in Tuturu's favour.
Rightio, here we are with the scrum. So I just want to, a little message out there, whānau, if you are wanting to come down, come down. The weather's fine. The crowd's great. Plenty of kai. We are a smoke-free Oahi Kore event, whānau. So no smoking, no vaping, no alcohol here. But everything else, there's plenty of aroha here. So make sure you come down and tautoko our waini out here on the field. We have our Tāne grades on next. So we have Puki Ariki playing Te Atiawa in the next game. And then after that, we have Ngāti Ruanui, who are playing, I think they're playing Ngārouru.
Ngārouru, I think it is.
Ngārouru, I think.
Yeah.
Just getting some kōrero coming through. Yeah, I've heard it's raining really heavy in the north, but down here it's sunshine.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sunshine down here, whānau. So jump in the waka and come to the sun. Come and see the sun here. With Ngārouru, where the sun always shines. Oh no, there's Ngāti Mutunga.
There's Ngāti Mutunga, I think, there, Kazi.
Oh, lost the ball there, Ngāruene.
Few errors by both of the teams in the last 5 minutes, cuz
it's still a bit slippery out there.
Yeah,
There was a bit of rain
is.
earlier, and so the field's still a little bit greasy. But it's a good little tight affair here between these two teams.
So it'll be a 2-2 feed here, whānau. Pass out there to the left.
The dummy. Here we go. Out wide. Got the fin. Good tackle.
Good hold.
Pearl
Position of the
Kāhui
ball.
with the tackle.
Go.
Oh, good run. They got some strong runners here.
Very strong runners. Uncertain on what they're going to do with that pass, but made that run through that gap there. Pick up the ball of the dummy there.
Oh, nice. Could play the ball. Walsh Tito with the run up the middle. She's still going.
Oh, still going.
She's still going. Oh, ball was stolen. Yes, they get the ball. There was 2 in the tackle. For whānau that don't know the rules back home, if there's 2 in the tackle, you can't steal the ball. If it's 1-on-1, you can.
Oh,
here we go. They lost it.
Yeah.
Rightio, whānau. Here we go. Another scrum. A few drop balls. But Kāpai. They're still having fun out there. That's the main thing.
All right. It's Ngāruhi Hine's ball. They want to get it out of their zone. Good tackle there by Tuturu.
Here we go. Another good run here. Is this number 12 again?
I think it's number 12 again.
Number 12. Yeah, number 4 again. Pearl Kāhui with the carry. Here we go, Tuturu with the defence. Number 7, although they're cutting it up against the grain here. Good run.
Oh, good run
through
there.
the middle, number 7. Oh, pass it on
Offload
to Smith.
Smith.
Here we go. Looking for the long
Long
ball.
pass. Oh.
Oh, it's offload here. Tuturu with the ball down the sideline. Oh, they're away. Hold the ball. Good tackle. Oi.
Yeah,
good tackle.
Good
Lynn
tackle
Smith.
there. It'll be Ruahine ball.
Ruahine ball. So they must have played advantage, eh? Played advantage.
Mm. Oh, no.
Oh, here we go.
Back in Tuturu's position now.
There we go.
There we go.
Half time. Half time. So that's 4-4.
Yeah.
4-4 half time. We've got another tight game here, Whānau. Another tight game. Oh, God, I love these tight games, eh?
Yeah, keep you on your feet, eh? Anyways, 4-4 here at halftime here at Dawson Park, Whānau.
Beautiful, beautiful Whānau. Make sure you come down, come and tautoko this awesome kaupapa. We've got some exciting games coming up. This is our last game for the first round of the Waiini Toa grade, and then we move into the Tāne grade next, which is looking really, really exciting as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
So next up we have our big, what do we got here? We got 12, so we got, what's the next game? 12-10.
12-10, eh?
Oh, no, that's us. That's us now.
It might be one.
Oh,
Pukeariki and
yeah,
Te Atiawa.
Pukeariki and Te Atiawa on field 1. That's our next game, followed by Ngā Ruahine and Ngāti Ruanui. Ooh, that's always a good one. So looking forward to that. So awesome Whānau. Well, that's half time. It's 4-4. As mentioned earlier, make sure you come down and come and grab a kite. Come and have a kōrero with the whānau. Plenty of undercover here to keep you out of the sun rays, eh, Tyson?
Yeah.
Not the rain.
Not the rain, Whānau. Not the rain.
Just,
Sun rays.
You know, to keep you out of the sun. There's plenty of coverage here. So what we're going to do now, whānau, I'm gonna log off for this game, and I'll come back on later this afternoon. But we're really lucky here. We have our whanaunga here, Matua Shane Cassidy, who's going to jump on and then have a kōrero. And yeah, so good to have him here with us. So I'm going to pass the reins over, whānau, and I better go and do some mahi.
Thanks, Kazi. Thanks for the stuff.
Awesome, whānau. Over and out. Just got here. Do you want to do this? Do you want to do this? Is that all right? Just for this half?
I was going to get see what he gets.
Yeah, and I'm coming into you now. Switching frame. Yep.
Ka pai tēnā tātou e te whānau. At half time,
4-4.
4-4. Even game out there.
No, it took me hot.
Ngā Ruahine versus Taranaki Tūturu. Looks like an even game out there, just watching from the sideline there as well. Be interesting to see what the coaches are and their strategy is from here. Yeah, e mihi ana. E nā tautoko nā kōrero o te whanau, e mihi ana ki a koe e Tyson. Nau mahuki mai ki tō kāinga. Ki he aere ai te ao. Te ao whānui nei, e mihi ana ki a koe. Yeah, and exciting. It's really good to get back to tautoko these kaupapa.
Yep.
Mai nā whakataitai a rangatahi nei tai no ki ngā mātua nei.
Yeah.
And to see the level of tākoro from our wahine out there this morning has been amazing to watch.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, no, it's been good. It's been good to be back here with our whānau, and And, just being around this atmosphere, this main atmosphere of the league whānau and all of our iwi coming together for this kaupapa, this prestigious event. One of my favourite tournaments of the year, coming home and being a part of this kaupapa is mean.
Tautoko. Absolutely tautoko whanaunga. Just wanting to do a bit of a shout out to our sponsors.
Yeah, we've got our major sponsor, Bennett Enterprise, Toi Foundation, and Paranini Hiki Waitotara for their ongoing support of our local tournament here in Taranaki. Big mihi going out to them for their ongoing support of our kaupapa. We'd also like to acknowledge all of our whānau that are here as well, who are helping behind the scenes. Big mihi going out to them.
Ka tika. And just a bit of a reminder, whānau, this is a smoke-free venue, vape-free as well. Kare wāhi tēnei mo tēnu Waipiro. Kia kaha koutou ki te tiaki te whenua nei, if we can get rubbish out into the rāpihi. Yeah, we're ahua tōna katoa. And we are looking to kick off
the second half here. Taranaki Tūturu in position of the ball. Good pass there. Nice carry there by Taranaki Tūturu, breaking those lines.
Strong carry there from Taranaki Tūturu. And Ngā Ruahine putting in the numbers there. And again, another nice strong run there from Taranaki Tūturu. Looks like they're just shy of the halfway in the middle of the field there, whānau.
Penalty here to Ruahine. I think, yeah.
Tikato, looks like scrum going down. And kaya ngā Ruahine te pōro. So shifting the ball out to the left.
Bit of an error on that pass, picked up by Taranaki Tūturu. And that was a good run down the side.
Yes, just a bit unfortunate. They ran out of whenua there. Tachi put the flag up, so position will go back to Ngā Ruahine.
Big mihi going out to all of our Kaiwawa, our referees today. Yep, bit of a shortfall on numbers here, but nonetheless, they're out there still doing the mahi to keep this kaupapa alive. Big mihi going out to them.
Tautoko. Looks like it's been a quite an even game out there versus Taranaki Tūturu and Ngā Ruahine. Ngā Ruahine and Taranaki in position of the ball.
Yeah, Taranaki's in position of the ball now. Good meters there. Oh, we've got offside. I think there was an offside there. Good run there by number 10 of Taranaki Tūturu.
Siobhan Paula Tatera. Looks like they're taking the short side.
Good run there.
Ngā Ruahine putting in the numbers in the tackle.
Ooh. Good defense by Ngā Ruahine, keeping them out of their line.
Oh, there was a bit of a messy pass there.
Well,
Taranaki Tūturu were looking for an offload, but looks like they have thrown the ball away. Ko tuku te pōro. And referee has called scrum. Looks like a potential knock on there. Ka pai a wahine are just regathering. Te aho nei kua whakapauha. No reira. Picking down into the scrum. Ngā Ruahine have the ball. Shifting the ball out to the right, out to the winger.
Knock on there by Ruahine. Lost ball.
Taranaki have regained the ball again. And ideally, they'll be wanting to just settle and complete their set. Here they are on the doorstep of Naruhine.
Mm.
And a
Naruhine,
strong tackle there.
strong tackle there and strong defense by Naruhine.
Ooh,
Oh,
one of our Wahine have gone down there. Looks like a bit of an Aitua there.
going in for that try there, Taranaki Tuturu.
And good movement of the ball there. They shifted it a couple of times here to be some spaces out, and the referee has called that a try for Taranaki Tuturu.
Jamie Lai or Taranaki Tuturu.
Kapai, and that moves our scoreline out to
Oh, what was 8-4, I think.
8-4.
I believe. 8-4.
And they're taking the conversion literally right in front of the sticks. So it'll be interesting to see what happens here. As we mentioned earlier in the earlier game, all of those points count.
Mm.
And conversion is converted, successful.
Successful conversion there.
It'll take us out to 10-4 to Taranaki Tuturu. So yeah, mihi ana ki ngā tīma katoa patai mai tarangi nei, hei tautuku I te kaupapa. E mihi ana ki ngā wāhine ngā kaitākoro, kei te whiri tēnei wā, ko ngā ruahine tera, a rawa teiki ko Taranaki Tuturu. So ngā ruahine have the ball, kei te whakarite rātou, kia whakahoki e te pōro, kia Taranaki Tuturu. Nō reira, rawe te kiume nei I tēnei wā. And whanau, if you're not up to much, me mahara mai. Ki te whakataitai nei. O he hapa no te tīmatanga, a drop ball there and an error from Taranaki Tuturu. So ngā ruahine will take position again. Looks like on the 30-metre line. So an opportunity here for ngā ruahine rangi. And they will peg down for the scrum. Be interesting to see what rautaki they have here. Ai, rawe te kimu nei.
Yeah, tino rawe. Pai hoki te rangi I konei as well. Eh? Good run there by Pearl Kahui, I believe.
Rawe, strong carriage, make 20 metres there. And ngā ruahine are on the 10-metre line of Taranaki Tuturu. Tackle number 2 there. And a bit of a scoot out of dummy half there by number 4.
Pearl Kahui.
Ka rawe.
Been doing really well this game here against Tuturu. Quick long pass out there to the winger.
They have the numbers the
overlap. And unfortunately, it has gone out. Flag up by the touchy.
Ai, kua pau te whenua ki te rataha. Nō reira, ka whakahoki e te pōro ki a Taranaki Tuturu. Engari, ko te pai o te kēmu, me te wairua pai o te kēmu nei, mena kai tākoro.
No.
Nō reira, Taranaki have the ball, preparing to pack down for the scrum. If anything, they'll just be wanting to settle the ball and get it out of their zone. Aye. And a bit of a run off the back of the scrum there. I have to admit, I've used that same strategy in our rautaki, mona rangatahi miki.
No.
Kia waiho te hapa, just tikana te pōra me te oma tō tika atu, nō reira. Tackle number 2 there was, and a backdoor play there. Kārawe Taranaki Tuturu, and the defence. Kārawe kia ngā ruahine ranga. Ooh, strong fend there by the number 9, what's that? E kahanona.
Good pass. Good offload there by Tuturu.
The number 11, I think that was.
Yeah, I think it was there. What?
Number 11 for Taranaki Tuturu is Kiara Kātini.
Taranaki Tuturu.
Aroha, mate.
Aroha Nuku.
Aroha Nuku. definitely making her presence felt out there whānau. Engari, kua riro ko ngā ruahine kai a rātou te pōro I tēnei wā.
Shaniqua with the ball, Shaniqua Jacobson.
Ka rawi. Really good to see the level of playing capability of our wahine playing just as well and just as strong as our tānema. He rawe te tērā ahutanga. A quick play of the ball there and a dart out of dummy half by the number 13 from Ngā Ruahinerangi. And a beautiful strong run onto the ball there by the number 20 from Nikki Kātene. Kārawe. Good draw and pass there.
Draw.
And number 4.
Pearl Kāhui.
Kārawe Pearl.
Miharo rawa.
Running strong line there, straight towards Te Kātu, and has found a try underneath the sticks Miki Noreira. That will move Ngā Ruahine up to 10-8. With this conversion, we have the potential to tie this up. Miharo. And again, the try taken underneath the post, so they have an opportunity here to level the game up with this conversion. And an opportunity to even this game up. And it has been quite even, both teams.
Yeah, have
making the most
been.
of the opportunities. And there you go, whānau, converted.
Conversion successful there. Ties us up 10-all.
10-all whānau.
Yeah, it's been a very interesting game, this one, with all of our two wahine teams, you know. It's been quite evil, eh? Being quite even, Rohamoya.
Yeah, no, tautoko. If anything, it's been a great opportunity for our whānau to pop down here this weekend.
Oh, aye. Definitely.
To support our iwi. Whiti Pororiki Māori meki.
Big mihi going out to our iwi hosts this year, Ngā Rauru.
Ai, tautoko.
For the manaakitanga of all of us down here in Ngā Rauru country.
Tautoko. All the hard work that goes on in the background to prepare for these big events. Te kanaka mihi kia Ngā Rauru ki tahi. Taranaki have the ball and a big kick there. And well received there from Ngā Ruahinerangi. And again, a strong carry there from the number 20 from Ngā Ruahinerangi.
Nikki Kātene.
Nikki Kātene. She's been playing well.
She has been. Tiwhanaunga been playing really well this game.
Tackle number 2 there. Numbers in the tackle there from Taranaki Tūturu.
Oh, a little bit of an error there by Ngā Ruahine. Picked up by Tūturu.
And an
good offload there to number 11. Another offload. Ooh.
Good tackle there.
Was a forward.
Like Taranaki have knocked that ball on forward. So Ngā Ruahine should receive the ball back here. But again, that strong defence from Ngā Ruahinerangi has forced that knock on there from Taranaki. But they did have an opportunity there.
Very good opportunity there
to shift the ball.
Yeah. I whānau, the score at the moment is 10-all.
By into Ngā Ruahine in position of the ball. They'll be wanting to get the ball out of the red zone. Bit of continued pushing there after the play of the ball. And hoki mahara ki te kōrero matua Howie, you know, and then NRL they would have been penalised, but kei konei, ka haere tonu te au.
Ka haere tonu te mai, eh?
Ka pai.
Look offload there. Good beaters again by Nikki Kātene.
She's been making her presence felt within this game and
Yep.
strong carries every
Strong
time.
carries every time. Yep.
A call from the referee. Final tackle there. And Naruahine completing their set, getting to their kick.
Oh.
And over Taukiri. Unlucky there for number 13 from Taranaki Tuturu. Drop ball there off the back of that. 10-all is our score here, whānau. Naruahine have the ball back again after a hapa there. Taranaki will be wanting to turn up in defence here.
Yep. Definitely.
And Naruahine will be interesting to see what they will do here. Looks like they've shifted some numbers out to their right. And there they go, they shift the ball right.
Good analysing there by Taranaki. Quick play the ball there by number 4.
Oh, what was the call there by the referee?
Couldn't see it from my angle,
No.
but it was back in Naruahine's position again.
And Nikki takes the ball up for the first carry from Naruahine, 10 metres up from the line. And they shift the ball to the left there.
Oh, good
Number
run there by
12.
number 12.
She's got some pace on her. And
There goes
Cartanier
Nikki
in
Cartanier
front
again.
of the- gave it a go, but the defence here put the numbers in, 3 versus 1. And again, they
Shifting
choose to
left.
shift the ball left and find some fruits for their hard labour. Naruahine only go across the line there, just waiting for the referee.
Looks like he's confirmed that try.
Kapai. And the try has been awarded whānau no reira ko whai piro a Naruahine rangi. That takes our score to our score at this moment, whananga, is
14-10.
14-10. So a really close game here,
Very
whānau.
close game.
If anything, it looks like the energy levels of Naruahine have lifted, and no doubt when you find an opportunity to score like that, they'll be looking for more of that opportunity. So just waiting for our result for this conversion.
It's fine if you're not doing much this weekend. Come on down to Ngaroru. Unsuccessful kick there, which keeps our score at 14-10 to Naruahine.
14-10 to Naruahine. And we see on the sideline, whānau, our Roputani preparing, warming up. I see the team Tiawa going through their good work. So potentially we move to our Roputani me Tarata ne Kiwi. But at the moment, whānau, we have Naruahine rangi playing Taranaki Tuturu, Kutaropu wahine tō tēnei. And Naruahine have just scored, and our score is 14-10 if you're listening out there this afternoon.
Nice catch there.
Taranaki have just kicked off. And is that Nikki Cartanier? Again, first receiver and first run for the game for that kickoff.
What would you say the atmosphere is like for the whānau that aren't here today, Te Whanaunga?
There's still a lot of people down here at the moment at Whanaunga, and the weather's holding off us. So if you're not doing anything out there today, whānau, no mai hara mai, ki wairo iti, and it's a beautiful atmosphere out here. Hara mai ki te tautoko, we've got food.
Oh, there we
down
go. Number 23 there from Ngaruahine.
Yeah. Dummies, and Ethan has the
Amelia
opportunity
Parata.
to pass on to her support runner, number 3. Wow. And another try there for Naruahine rangi. So you're right there, Amelia could have taken that try, but she ko whai aroha ia ki tōna hoa, ki tōna whanaunga. And so number 3 touches down underneath the sticks there for Ngā Ruahine, and that takes our score out to 18 points to 10 at the moment. And again, Ngā Ruahine have the ball, taking their conversion. So great run there from the number 3 there, who found an opportunity. I think there was a 50-metre try there, Whānau.
I think it was. It's Whananga.
Bit of a dummy and just took off through the gap. And kua whai hua, kua whai piro anō ai. Te timo Ngā Ruahine rangi. So I don't think we have much time left in this half of the game.
No, we're nearing the end of this game. Our Wahine Tour game for round 1, I think.
And the conversion is successful.
Successful there.
That takes our score out to what there?
20 to 10.
20 to 10.
20 to 10. All right, 20 to 10. Good game by Ngā Ruahine and also Tūturu.
20 to 10 is our score at the moment. To
Ngā
Ngā Ruahine.
Ruahine. Right.
And there is the Huda Whānau. So, te ahua nei kua Mitu Te Kēmu. The referee has scored it. Nō reire, mihi ana ki ngā time e rua Taranaki Tūturu. Ngā Ruahine rangi kua whai angitu. Rātau tēnei i Kēmu. Nō reire, mihi ana ki a rātou. And